Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on your PC or laptop running Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to support the video with a like. Alright, let's start it. First, click on the Windows button, then go to Settings. From here, navigate to Time and Language. In this section, click on Language and Region. It should be the second option. Here, you will see the main language currently set on your PC at the top of the list. If you already have multiple languages installed, you can simply click on this box and select the language you want, and it will change automatically. But if you don't have the language you need and you want to add a new one, click on Add the Language. Now choose the language you want. For example, I'll select Spanish. Then click Next. You can adjust a few settings here if needed, and once you're ready, click Install. At this point, the installation will take a few minutes. Once it's done, you will see Spanish listed among the installed languages. To set it the primary language, just drag it to the top of the list and select it from here as I showed you before. Now, to apply the change, click Sign Out. Once you log back in, you will see that the language has switched. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.